Hi everyone, this is Fatima Ibrahim with Nashwa Beauty. This is my second video and I'll be doing a turban tutorial today. I've got 5 styles for you guys. The first, to begin, I have my hair up in a high bun and I just wrapped it up with a jersey scarf. Next, you will grab any cotton scarf or any material scarf that will stick. Don't use chiffon. I put it on my hair and I tied a knot. Then I will wrap it around and tuck in one side. Next, I will grab the other end, wrap it around as well, and tuck it. And you can adjust it accordingly. For my second look, I had changed my bun to a low bun, and using the same jersey scarf, I had it just wrapped underneath. And then I grabbed my cotton scarf and I placed it on my head again, and I just twisted the hanging ends of the scarf. Then I wrapped it around in a circle and I tucked in the remaining end. Again, fix it accordingly to how you like it. For my third look, my hair is in a low bun again, and I grabbed my scarf, and as the same as the second look, I twisted it around. Then I wrapped it around, but going forward this time. Instead of flat, I wrapped it upways, and then I tucked it in. For our fourth look, I have my hair in a low bun again, and I will grab my scarf and place it the same way I did the others. I will grab both ends and I will wrap them around. So I wrap both sides at the same time, and then I will fix it according. I'm just fixing it how I like it. And for this look, you guys, you want to layer it. You don't want it to just be on one side, so you layer it to give it that definition, that look. And you tuck one side in and then you tuck the other side. Alright, you guys, for our last and final look, I have my hair in a low bun again. Same way I had my hair in the other look, other styles. For this look, you just want your ends of the scarf to be on the side, like placed next to your ear, and you twist. You cross and you twist all the way to the end. Then you wrap it around your head clockwise once. Make sure your scarf is not hanging too low or too high, just perfectly placed. So you wrap the end around and then you just tuck it next to the other ear. And that's it, you guys. And Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you want to see next.